Most guys have no idea their haircut is completely wrong for their face shape. If no one's complimented your hair recently, you've been rocking the wrong cut. But what if I told you AI can now scan your face and you can find exactly which haircut suits you the best? Here's how it works. Just go to the side, look straight into your camera, and in seconds, boom, it tells you your exact face shape. But here's the important part. Knowing your face shape is just the start. What actually matters is which haircut and style fits you the best. So now that you know the shape of your face, what's the perfect hairstyle? I'm breaking down every shape and showing you the best hairstyle for each, so you never have to guess it. Have you ever wondered why one haircut can make someone look better instantly? It's because they match their hair and face shape perfectly. First up, oval. If this is you, congratulations, because you've got the most haircut options out of any face shape. So if you've got an oval face shape, here are the top styles that will always look good on you. The textured crop. If you want a clean, modern, and low maintenance cut, this is it. Just enough volume and structure. The classic side part. This is the go-to for guys who want a polished, old money vibe. Works with casual or formal outfits. The surfer curtains. If you want a trendy, more natural look, try growing your hair out to give you that effortless surfer vibe. Layered curls. If you're looking for something easy and versatile, go with this to really show off those luscious curls. But just because you have the most options doesn't mean everything works. Avoid super long, flat hair. Your hair looks lifeless when it's flat. Just add some layers or volume. Avoid a super short buzz cut. This isn't a hard rule, but if your facial features are softer, a buzz cut can sometimes make your face look too rounded. All right. That's it for oval face shape, but what if your face is more structured, longer, or rounder? Because up next, we've got the face shape that needs the right haircut to avoid looking unbalanced. So stick around. Next up, square face shape. If this is you, you've hit the genetic jackpot. Square faces are naturally strong, structured, and scream high status. That's why some of the biggest male icons in history have this face shape. The key with a square face, you want a cut that keeps it structured without making it too boxy. The classic buzz cut. This keeps the sides and top balanced, giving it a timeless and powerful look. The flow, the go-to for business, dates, literally anywhere. It highlights your jawline and keeps you looking clean. The textured quiff. If you want a little extra volume while keeping things sharp, this is your move. But here's the one mistake that ruins a square face. Letting your hair get too long on the sides. Too much width on the sides makes your face look bulky instead of chiseled. That's why keeping the sides shorter is key to maximizing your features. Alright, we've covered two face shapes, but let's get real for a second, because this is where most guys mess up. The difference between looking average and looking instantly better, it could be down to the products you use. And that's why I partnered up with Base Bodyworks. And for the next face shape, getting this wrong is even worse, because one bad cut can make your face look longer, wider, or completely unbalanced. Alright, next up, oblong face shape. This is one of the face shapes that guys mess up the most. Why? Because if you get the wrong haircut, it can make your face look even longer, and that's not what you want. The key to an oblong face is balance. You need a cut that adds width, not extra length. The medium length layered cut keeps volume on the sides so your face doesn't look stretched. The soft side part gives some structure without exaggerating face length. Here's the one mistake that can absolutely cook an oblong face: shaving the sides too short while leaving too much length on top. This makes your face look taller and thinner when you actually want it to look more balanced. Next up, if you've got a round face shape, this is where most guys struggle. A round face means your cheekbones and width are close to your face length and there aren't a lot of natural angles. So the goal with your haircut is to add structure and definition. The biggest mistake, keeping the hair too short or growing it out without any volume on top. This makes your face look rounder, which isn't what you want. Instead, you need a style that creates contrast and builds height to stretch out your face. That's why shorter sides with volume on top works so well. Another top tier style, the textured fringe. Young Cook has mastered this. The messy layered effect creates movement and gives the illusion of sharper angles. And if you're someone who prefers a classic look, a hard side part or angular style is the way to go. Just look at young Leonardo DiCaprio. His parted hairstyle added definition and length while still keeping it clean. Bottom line, if you've got a round face, your haircut should focus on vertical height and sharp lines to add structure. Anything too soft or flat will make your face look wider. Alright, if you have a diamond face shape, you've got sharp cheekbones and a narrow jawline, and your name is probably Manuel Enrique, which means your hairstyle should be working to balance out your features instead of making them look even sharper. The biggest mistake guys with diamond faces make, going for ultra short sides and extreme fades. Since your cheekbones are already the widest part of your face, this can make you look even more angular and harsh. Instead, you want to cut that softens the edges and adds width to the lower part of your face. One of the best examples of this, Cillian Murphy. His textured cut with longer length on top keeps the perfect balance. Another great style, the messy layered look that Robert Pattinson pulled off. The texture all around adds a relaxed, effortless vibe that stops your face from looking too structured. And if you're going for something more polished, look at Austin Butler's Hollywood waves. A medium lens cut with soft movement creates width in all the right places. So, if you've got a diamond face shape, go for softer, layered styles that add width to your jawline and keep things balanced. Avoid anything too short on the sides, or you'll make your face look even sharper. Last but not least, the triangle face shape. If your jawline is the widest part of your face and your forehead is more narrow, then this is what you need to know. The biggest mistake is going too short on the sides or keeping your hair super flat. This makes the lower half of your face look even wider and throws off the balance. Instead, you want a cut that creates volume on top and adds width around the forehead to even things out. Look at Ryan Gosling's classic side part. Clean, structured, but not too tight. Or if you like longer hair, Kit Harington's wavy voluminous style works perfectly to add the needed fullness on top. And for a balanced option, Chris Pine's textured mid-length cut softens the jawline without looking messy. That's every face shape and the best haircut for each one. Drop your face shape in the comments and I'll tell you which haircut will make you look your best. And if you want a deeper dive into styling tips, make sure to watch this video next.